All right, I'm Sean Callahan with Metwood Building Solutions. I'm here with Gene Frogout. Now, Gene, tell me a little about your company.
I'm Blue Ocean Development, and we've been around for about 10 years. I think we've been using Metwood for about 8 of those years. First saw that product coming to the Virginia Builders Association. Got intrigued with it because it's light, it's strong, and it's designed to be incorporated with wood framing sizes. And over the years, I've been involved in the industry over 40 years now. And we have this clunky steel that it comes through another distribution chain. You have to do all this additional framing around it, and I just never understood. Well, I did understand why they needed it, because they need it because of the loads. But Metwood is a perfect solution. It comes with your lumber package, or have separate delivery. We've been tickled with it. I think my latest house, I especially liked it because I had a huge 20-foot opening to the rear with a 16-foot slider, and the architect had drawn 2 posts, intermediate posts, to carry 3 LVLs, 3 LVLs, and 3 VLVLs. So it completely obscured the view out of this beautiful rear, and there was no other good wood way of doing that. He did it the best way. So I said, get rid of that. Let's put one Metwood beam. It was the same size, basically, but 20 foot long. I limited all the LVL, 2 posts, and there were 2 posts at the end, and I think we got a really beautiful, elegant design. So I'm all in on the Metwood.
Good deal. So do you think because of the using that beam in that application, you feel like that helped market the house better?
Yes, absolutely. I think, no question, it made the house more beautiful.
Good. And then, so you have some other projects that you're...
So we have a couple of houses coming up in Clifton, like also high end. And I have an architect that he hasn't understood. I want to design with Metwood. He always puts, so I sent it over to Joe.
Yeah.
And so I'm waiting for my prices back. I should be breaking ground here next week. But we love the product. It's innovative. It's innovative, good solution. And Sean and his dad have done a good job thinking through the construction process. I mean, steel's okay in some applications. I guess you have to have it. But, if you're in wood frame construction, you need components that are more wood friendly, and you can nail to it, screw to it. Much easier than, big eye joist. You have to pat it out and pat under it. It's just,
We try to make it user friendly.
Yeah.
So good. Well, we appreciate you as a customer. Appreciate you using us.
All right.
And, appreciate you taking the time this morning away from coffee with the trades at the
No
SBB.
problem.
Speaking with us.
We love that.
Gene, I appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
But